I never thought true love was something I would ever experience in my lifetime. I always thought true love only existed in the lives of my family members, relationships of my friends around me, and in romance movies. All of that changed when you came into my life.
I admire everything about you. Your laugh is like listening to my favorite song over and over again and never getting tired of it. You're an amazing listener, and your ability to relate and communicate whenever we just talk has made things so much easier with you.
You quiet all the noise in my life, and you bring a sense of calmness over me that no one else is able to. You continue to accept all of my flaws and love all the parts of me that I at times struggle to love of myself. I see many anniversaries celebrated together. I see us growing old together.
People have said that marriage requires things like work, commitment, and sacrifice. Emily and Michael, are you ready to proclaim that foundation of love for one another in the sight of the heavens under these witnesses?
Yeah.
Emily, I couldn't be more proud of you and all the accomplishments of these last 4.5 years. You're my best friend, you're my partner, and you're my teammate. I strive to make you proud to call me your husband, and I vow to love you and continue to love you unconditionally with everything I have, forever and always.
Let it stay the same forever, be this way. I got you.
Michael, I couldn't be more honored to call you my husband and call myself your wife. I wouldn't want to walk on this path with anyone else. Today, I vow to continue on our path together, step by step, hand in hand, for all the days of our lives. Today, tomorrow, until the end of time, I will forever love you.
Emily, do you take Mike to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Michael, will you honor and cherish love, trust, and commit to her through joy, pain, sickness, and health, and whatever life may throw at you both until death do you part? I do. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to present you Mr. and Miss Michael and Emily Francier. Mike, Mr. Sedan.
Mike, you've made her the happiest, best version of herself, and I love the way you love my best friend. I can't think of a better person to be the end result of if you give Em tequila, she'll find herself a husband. I love you both, and I wish you a lifetime of love, laughter, and tequila.
So we hold on and enjoy the ride. After all the ups and downs, this is our time. Enjoy the ride.
My wife Anne and I are so incredibly proud of our daughter Emily, and we couldn't be happier that she has found such a wonderful partner in Michael, his great sense of slightly sarcastic humor, and his love for Emily captured our hearts from the start. And let's everyone raise a glass to our newlyweds Cheers to you kids. We love you.